a spreadsheet program that is part of the MS Office suite of productivity tools. It is used to create, organize, and analyze data using a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns. Some of the key features of Microsoft Excel include the ability to perform calculations and create formulas to analyze data, use functions to perform common calculations, such as sum, average, count, and more, create charts and graphs to visualize data, sort and filter data to analyze it in different ways, use conditional formatting to highlight specific data based on criteria you set, collaborate with others on a spreadsheet in real time through the use of comments, track changes, and other tools, create pivotables to summarize and analyze large amounts of data. Overall, Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data. It is widely used in business, finance, and other fields where data analysis is important. Its versatility and wide range of features make it an essential tool for anyone who needs to work with data on a regular basis. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.